Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Who is excited here now? The markets are whatever, guys, whatever. Today, it's like, my goodness. What did they say yesterday at the FOMC? And they just went bananas there. So, what's going on? What's going on? Did you guys start trading already? Any trade so far? Good morning, Theo. Hi, Ruben. How are you doing? So I will start with gold analysis, of course, like usual. So this is the gold. Iva, good morning. First things first, let's level up a time frame. You are long on Euro USD. I'm interested to check this out. On the daily chart, yesterday we got this massive bullish engulfing. I guess Trump is going crazy, huh? Let's do something. I'll just open TikTok for now and just go live there. So let's go live. Two small wins on DAX. That's great. So you have two small wins on DAX. That's amazing. That's great, Iva. Happy to hear that. Very, very happy to hear that. So what we are looking now on gold, we had this bullish engulfing, and of course the market is expecting to rally higher. So if we're gonna put this high price there, extend it a little bit to the right, the low, let's get this low here to the right. So after this bullish engulfing on the daily chart, today the market is about to take over. That's what I believe. We can see some retracements here. Of course, we can see some retracements, but mainly we will hit to some bullishness, I guess. So here are our support, resistance. This is also a good intraday support to have on the chart. Another one is this inside swing high, and I think that's all for now, because the price is right there. I don't think so it's relevant to add more stuff on the chart. So, which means let's mark the Asian session. Asian started right there. So that's the high of the Asian, that's the low. An Asian session will go up to this time. That's Asian session. Then let's pick up the London session, of course. London from there, but we use the low of the Asian. We use also the high of the Asian, and London goes up to this time. and I mark it here with this color, so it's easy to spot it. And then we hit to the New York session, this time here. It's 3 p.m. my time. And the New York session goes up to this midnight, New York. So here we see the overlaps. Yes, guys, we have the overlaps here. Guys from TikTok, come join us on the YouTube channel. We are live here. So, which wins did you have on the DAX, Iva? Where did you take your winners there? We will go. We will dive into the DAX to check it out. Asian's low is this one here. That's a good spot. Asian session low. Asian session high, it's pretty much the high of this one, so I'm not going to add another one there. So going down to the 15-minute time frame, what do we see? The market makes these higher highs and higher lows. So it's still in an uptrend. It's very bullish, very, very bullish. We do have this minor resistance. And basically that's the plan for today, guys. Default. So the plan for today is to break and close above this high and pick up a long position. Yesterday we had an amazing trading day. We made a lot of profits. I don't know if you guys took that gold trade with me. Ah, man, that was insane. Look at this one here. Even the spread didn't even touch the stop loss from there. I hope you are using a broker, or if you sign up with PropXP, you have small spreads. Whichever broker or prop firm you're using, make sure you have small spreads here. And after the price, you see bullish engulfing, the price came down, bounced it off, made another higher high here, but yeah, it really gave us a nice profit at that point. So no complaints. It was an exceptional trade, that one. And this trade has a lot of characteristics in terms of patience, in terms of trade what you see, in terms of stick to your rules, because even if you take one losing trade here, guys, let it be. You just follow your plan. It's just a losing trade, so no hard feelings, right? And after that, the market just went crazy. FOMC minutes were also something. They were talking a lot about cryptos, right? Yeah. Did anyone listen to that? I don't sit there listening to to whatever the Fed wants to say. I'm not interested as a day trader to know this stuff. I understand the back end, but I'm not interested to sit there and watch them all day long. So this is the plan for gold. Guys, if you want to get on gold trading today, we're going to have to break above this high just to ensure that the market is going to continue the series of higher highs and higher lows on this time frame before we execute. Next one, let's check the DAX. DAX, am I on a wrong symbol? Yes. So this is the DAX. Oh, at the open we got this one. See this bearish engulfing? Ah, come on, guys. That was a no-brainer. Come on. This one here, look at it. Bearish engulfing. For those who don't know it, I'm trading. Basically, all my entries will be from a key levels of support resistance, but I will trade bearish engulfing to the short side and bullish engulfing to the long side, because for me, I found it to be the most easy, simple way of trading, especially if you're a beginner trader. This is the simplest way of trading the financial markets. Apply this on the indices, on the forex, gold, anywhere you want. But if you apply this on the indices and gold, it's so good. So see this bearish engulfing here on the 5 minute. Also, we had the bearish engulfing prior the open. I've backtested this one here, guys. This setup on many indices. When at the open you get this bearish engulfing from a key resistance, it means that the market it's starting fresh and it's about to push the downside. So yeah, that becomes one of the best ways to trade the markets. It's amazing. I don't usually trade the London Open anymore because I trade the New York session. But if you are around and you're trading the London Open, yeah, let it be. So um, this one here, it's one of the best. After that, price went down, jump. Iva, did you take this? Did you take a bearish engulfing here, or you capitalize on the way down? So this is pretty easy. We see that the sellers are running out of steam here, so we do expect retracement. For simple setups, retracements something like 50, 61.8%, especially this market now. It's so simple to trade. It's so simple. Price will likely to retrace somewhere between 50 and 61.8, and then just find you the catalyst, the right catalyst, then we just go short. Simple plan. Simple and effective. Next one, the best of the best. My favorite is S&P 500 because it's so simple to trade this guy here. Trade S&P 500 New York session. I'm trading from 5:30, from not 4:30, from 5:30 until around 7:30 Cyprus time, which is what, 3:30 to 5:30 London. And I'm focusing only on the S&P 500 because it's so simple to find setups here. So simple. What do we have yesterday? Yesterday, the price went up, came down like this, and I trade on the 5-minute chart. Look at this. Price went up, came down. 4:30 it was playing. So 5:30 when I start looking my charts, the price was going up like this. Because I use also this footprint charts, I saw that on the delta, the market made a higher high, but the accumulated volume delta made a lower high, and this is the bearish divergences A class on the CVD, and this is one of the best clues to expect some retracement. So for me, the entry here was, I can say it was simple, because I found this sandwich pattern that I like to trade all the time. And I went short there, stop loss, tidy stop loss, because from the volumes here, I saw that the market was had a lot of selling pressure, and it was okay to place a stop loss above this high. I didn't go with a stop loss above there. Anyhow, it was a nice 3-to-1 trade all the way down. And then, of course, because we had the higher highs here, we didn't expect much of continuation. Anyhow, I would have been out of the trade at 3-to-1. But when I saw this bullish engulfing here, and it looked like the market it was about to take over. I checked again here with the footprint charts, the numbers, and it was something incredible actually, and it's worth showing to you guys what happened there. It was at 7 o'clock. So it was this one here. So one of the best things that I like using the ATAS with the order flow analysis is because, and again, it's simple to use it, it's not complicated. The candle, this reversal candle you see on the left, it represents with this, if you zoom in on this reversal candle, I'll show you. If you zoom in on this reversal candle, you will see the actual orders got placed in the exchange market. So this one here showed that buyers were much more engaged. So a candle that closed bearish, but buyers were super engaged. So, and I see it from this part here, from the delta. I didn't do anything. That was the first clue that, you know, maybe something is wrong. Maybe buyers are trapped. They are so engaged, they are trapped, and the sellers will take over and push the price down. What happened here is that the market open. We had a doji candlestick. See this doji candle here. This doji candle, it's a sign of if the sellers are active, they're gonna push. So on this doji candle, we still saw a lot of buyers. See, buyers, a lot of buyers here, and it was like, interesting, very interesting thing. The volume was somewhere in the middle. Okay, so interesting thing. And then the next candle here, I didn't do anything there also. The next candle here was a bullish engulfing. And when I see bullish engulfing following a trend, I mean, I'm all in, man. I don't give it a second chance. But that bullish engulfing was special because it followed that after bearish candles, we expected the price to continue down. If those divergences were to put the price, if those delta divergences were to put the price into a downtrend, here the sellers will have reload and add more in their positions. They didn't do that. What happened? Buyers stepped in. I saw the delta still positive on the buyers. It means that now they are reloading from the support. And that was, for me, that was the best way to get into the market, with a stop loss just below this part, because I saw there is not that much activity. The activity was right there. If the price was breaking below this, then we will have dropped to the downside. As you see, the candle came up to there, then found the support, and it just kicked in. So that was another good entry. So these were my two trades yesterday, both of them 3-1, very simple. And since then the market came down. I wasn't even looking at the charts because it's not the time. I said I'm trading from 5:30 until 7 to 7:30 max. I don't look at the charts more than these 2 hours because I find that I can concentrate only for this amount of time. If you ask me to, and it's funny because I see many people saying, I'm a full-time trader, I trade all day. Man, you cannot concentrate all day. You are just blowing accounts after accounts. I make money in 2 hours and I just live my life. I love riding my bicycle, so you're gonna see me on the bike all day long. And when it's time to work, I'm just serious as hell. Just sitting here, disciplined, with my trading coach AI next to me. Where is the trading coach AI? It's going to be available to everyone from September onwards. It's going to be a free web application that I built based on my coaching experience. Actually, I logged here more than 500 personal one-on-one coaching sessions, another about 300 webinars that I was invited to do for brokers, for prop firms, some of my speeches on stage, everything. I recorded everything the last 3 years that I've done as a coach, and I built this. So you're gonna use it in the very best way. It's going to keep you accountable. It's going to help you to grow as trader. And of course, it's going to help you to stick to your plans. And we're going to have a community, a free community to everyone that uses this one. So you can uh, not, how to say it now, you can not support each other in terms of someone needs support, but it's going to be the accountability part that when you, for example, 50 people in a chat group see the names of other people there, they all know that, he is using the trading coach. She's using the trading coach. They also do this and that and that. I will explain you everything about this trading coach, how it works in the next couple of weeks, I guess, unless it's ready soon. There is only one thing to fix before it's available to go public. So once we fix that, everything will be ready. So today, what we are looking with the S&P, first, we have to start from a higher time frame and go down to do some analysis. Previous day's high, it's here. Previous day's low is there. Doji candle. I believe that the market has a reason to retrace some of its move here. So I'm expecting the price to come down. Yes, definitely. On the 4 hour, what do we have on the 4 hour? We have this false breakout here. Then we are getting, if we close with a bearish engulfing, it looks like we're going to have a bearish session today. On the hourly, we are going down. I spot the support here. The process is simple, guys. Daily, 4 hour, just plot your levels unless you have a price action that can lead your decision. On the 1 hour chart, price is going down nicely. We have a support here. Then another support is this swing low at the bottom. So on the 15-minute time frame, what did I draw here? And it's green. That was the that's a higher time frames retracement. So we have this as the first stop and then this as the next stop. But anyway, this is too far away. So we keep these lines on the chart. That will be relevant for today's trading session. And I'm excited because I will show you again. Let's copy this. By the way, we are closing. I'm back on gold now. Look at this, guys. We are closing above here on gold. So let's check the 5 minute. Maybe we're going to get the retracement to go long. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting on gold, the setup, guys. I'm waiting on gold, the setup to go for some long positions. Okay. Let's keep gold in mind. From here, I want to just copy paste the sessions. It's easier. Control C and let's go here, Control V. So I think the times are aligned correctly. Yes, everything is correct. I will readjust the highs now and the lows. So that's the high. So far, that's the high on all of them. About the lows, we are breaking the Asian session low. Asian session is still on. Guys, for those watching on TikTok, join our YouTube channel. I didn't stream on TikTok yet, but I think from next week, from next week, we're going to be live also on TikTok. Euro US dollar, Ruben, what did you trade here? I can see a nice smooth trend to the upside. Did you buy or sell? Guys, what are you looking here on Euro US dollar? On the S&P 500, we are coming down at support. See, bearish engulfing here, sold off nicely. I'm telling you, trade bullish and bearish engulfings, your trading will be much better, much better. Gold. See why I want to wait for a clear break and retest. I'm not just trading resistance. I'm not buying at resistance. What am I, crazy or stupid to do that? Nasdaq. On the S&P now. Multiple rejections here. Multiple rejections. You bought from 1.6840. 1.68. 6840. Good, good. Yep, higher highs, retracement, clean retracement. Tested the recent swing high as support, bounced it off, and just keeps on rallying. Cryptos. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna see the cryptos that low. Yesterday, Solana was around 70 bucks or something. Yeah, around 74. XRP, see, around $1. Now it's 114. It's like 14% increase within 2 days. SUI, still very promising. Ethereum, 1,800. Okay. Yep. They are good. They are good. Decent. So Bitcoin after this lower low, around 57, 58,000, it hit this resistance here, traded below for a while, but now it's skyrocketing. Yeah, we were expecting to come and test these levels here, guys, of course, on Bitcoin. So now what we can see, we have to wait if the price will reach the 82, 83,000, which I believe it's gonna do it easily, and then we have a free room to the 88, then and keep on going. I see Bitcoin, if it's gonna have a bullish run now, it's gonna go. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but easily 118, 120. I think we're gonna see it going up there. Maybe it's gonna take a couple of years or 8 months, but now in the short term, it looks like the price is heading to the upside. We're going to have a lot of waves, yeah, because as you know, the market just moves in trends. It doesn't go up only as a straight line, so be patient. I'm investing in crypto a lot, but I don't use leverage when I trade, when I invest in cryptos. I just buy and hold. When the price goes down to a key level of support or a demand zone, I just use this as my catalyst to get in. Of course, my knowledge with the price action allows me to time my entries perfectly well. I mean, look at these guys here. It came down. See, I had this support from June 2026, and we got this bullish engulfing here. When I saw this bullish engulfing at 59,000, 60,000, it was, yeah, come on, why not? I want to buy Bitcoin, and that was the that was the case here. People now, they see the price is going up and they say, it's too expensive. Then they see the price goes down and they say, it's going to go down to zero. It doesn't work like this. In investing, it doesn't work like this. We buy when the price drops and we sell when the price rallies. I don't remember. I have to check. It's been a while to buy Ethereum because I was buying mainly Solana and Bitcoins there. XRP was, my goodness, look at this one here, guys. XRP was the best actually. Uh, anyhow, the good thing, if you haven't buy yet, the good thing is that this area here, it's gonna be tested based on volume and low volume node actually that is here. It's gonna be tested and you're gonna have the opportunity to load. And always remember, prices go up slower and harder than when they come down. It requires a lot of effort to push the price to the upside, and it requires less effort to push the price to the downside. On gold, do we get anything here? Nothing so far. Nothing. On S&P, yeah, we broke below, so we have a London low here. So the Asian low was there. Now we have a London low and it's still going. It's a free, I will say that it's a free trade here because the price is in a downtrend. It broke aggressively. It didn't just break and false with a false breakout. So if we stay below this one, at some point, guys, I'm telling you, it's not a financial advice, but this is what's going to happen. The price from here, it will do this. It's going to go bam like this. It's going to go up. It's going to go up at somewhere, or it's going to just stay within some inside candlesticks. We're going to find the catalyst and we're going to go short for a little bit of time. This is how the market moves the last, I don't, at least the last 12 years. I'm watching the markets trading the same thing, only bearish engulfings in a downtrend, only bullish engulfings in an uptrend, and when there are strong trends inside candlesticks. That's it. Now I add volume analysis. Yes, recently I added volume analysis. Recently I added delta and all these things, but these are add-ons to have more precise entries. They don't take away that the market makes lower lows and the trend is hitting down, I'm gonna buy. No, I don't do that. The market makes lower lows. As long as it makes lower lows, I'm selling. Simple, simple, simple. Guys on TikTok, from next week when we're going to be live, I'm going to be sharing the screen as well. It's like some kind of setups that I didn't have time to do them before I go live today. It's all about trading and investing, trading and investing. What is the number one obstacle you find now in your trading, guys? What's the biggest obstacle in your trading right now? Is it to follow your plan? Is it to do what you're supposed to do, or something else? What's the biggest one? Where do you see yourself in the next couple of years with trading, or in the next 6 months, something? What do you want to accomplish? What do you want to get? So now price is trying to, this is going to be a false breakout only if we're going to have a bullish engulfing candlestick here. If we're going to have a bullish engulfing candlestick, it means that the Asian low got false breaking out. It looks like we're going to go for that one. Closing my winner too early. Ruben, you are closing your winners too early. Okay, that's a good thing you say. Very, very, very back on the end. If we go deep on that, the reason you are closing your winners too early is because subconsciously the strategy you trade, there are two things. Either the strategy you trade is not 100%, you're not 100% confidence about that, or the amount you risk on the trade is too big for your acceptance. So you don't fully accept the risk. These are the two things. I'm telling you that uh, that's the outcome of 10 steps down the track. Yes, I want to be able to leave a runner for the day. This will come only if you keep at least 100 trades with a specific reward to risk ratio, and don't touch it while trading. So guys, we have a false breakout here at this support. The price is testing it, and for me this is an entry. So I'm going to go ahead and place a buy order here. Stop loss, I'm going to put my stop loss here. So first TP1 goes there. Second TP1 up there. And third TP1 has to go below this support. So I'm into these two trades. I'm placing my first trade of the day, just because we are live here and I spot this bullish engulfing. You see, if I get this losing trade, I mean, it's fine. So why I place this trade? Because this is not just a retracement. See how many touches we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. False breakout most likely the price it's gonna enter into a retracement. So for me, it's good enough just to make something out of that trade. And the way I trade is momentum trading. So we entered somewhere 77-12, 77-08. Okay. Pende 1 5 here. 1 7. Let's put 1 7 there and 1 19. Okay. Alrighty. Ruben said, I think is confident. I never oversize. Not oversize. I'm not saying about oversizing. So if it's not the amount of money you're risking on the trade, it has to do more with the way. Just 1 second. Yeah, so it has to do more with the first one. If it's not about the dollar on the trade. Let's see how we're gonna get on this trade. On the S&P during London, volatility is very low. But really, when we have these sessions, I just prefer to, if I see a high probability trade, I just prefer to place it, just for also for the sake of life. Yeah, because I want to pass on you the confidence on trusting yourself. If your setup is there, if you can prove your strategy within few words, a simple sentence, then a trade is worth taking. Good, good. Do you trade props or only your account with admirals? You still with admirals? Yes. Man. Let's see if I will get stop out on this one. Even if I get stop out on this one, guys, I can put on the same trade second, third, fourth, fifth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. No issue about that. Yes, I follow your advice. When I enter, I'm ready to lose that amount. I think is more about not I closing the profit that I have. Yeah. My account, but we'll open an account at PropXP very soon. Yeah, try it. No, it's nice to trade prop accounts. It's nice to trade prop firms. you need to find your pace with the prop account. So you just, you go through and you go, oh, that's a massive drop. Okay, I'm out on the trades. Yeah, we got a losing trade for now, so that's okay. Okay. Alrighty. Price drops. Yep. Guys, I got losing trades here. Keep on going. So my bullish engulfing didn't work out. That's okay. Looking for the next one. Cryptos are just booming. They have inertia today, huh? That's okay. Let them grow, let them go, let them push. No problem at all. Guys, stop trading your emotions, trade your plan. The AI coach that sits beside every trade remembers every mistake and builds you into a consistently profitable trader. Just get ready. It will be out soon. I'll let you know. Look at the sandwich on the DAX. I'm start getting hungry, by the way. Yeah, this pulled back here. Yep, it didn't came up with a deep retracement. Didn't come up with a deep retracement. Inside. There is no sandwich here on the DAX. Based on the sandwich pattern I trade, I don't see it. To have the sandwich here, we need the bodies to align. This is one inside candlestick because this false breakout. Look at this one. This candle here, it kind of false breakout the previous one. But okay, let's treat this inside. These are inside candlesticks so far. Gold. We didn't get an entry on gold. Okay, guys, I have to end the live stream because I have a coaching session right now, so I just need some time to prepare. I would like to wish you to have a great day ahead, and I will speak to you next week. My broker might be different. Yes, of course, your broker might be different. Yep. Okay, guys, take care. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna be here again next week with, and I believe that from next week onwards, the markets will sit down a little bit and we're gonna get some smoother trends. Okay, and less false moves. Take care, everyone. It was great to be here with you, and peace out. I will see you next week. Bye for now.